And we're closing down the place here after a training session with Bonnie Krupa, the mastermind of Advanced Canine Techniques. Bonnie, I want to thank you so much for taking care of our Grateful Dog training program.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, it's such an honor because you're highly sought in this area and probably statewide, I am sure. Tell us about this program that our Grateful Dogs are taking.
They are doing the Canine Good Citizen Therapy Dog Preparation Program. So basically, in the next 6 weeks, we're going to be working out all of the obedience commands and skills needed to pass the Canine Good Citizen test as well as the Therapy Dog test. Now, once the dogs hit a year old, they're able to take that test, and then they are able to go into libraries, nursing homes, hospitals, and provide the therapy that all of those people need.
That's wonderful. And we do have therapy programs. We have the reading, we have hospice and nursing home care, and a variety of other things yet to come. But that's not the only thing you do, right? You do other levels of training.
Yep, I do puppy classes, I do advanced obedience classes, I do rally and scent classes, and I offer pet CPR and first aid classes, I offer pack walks, so lots of things out there. I keep myself busy.
So as you know, we have some puppy mill dogs in your class, and a lot of them are showing up and they're very shy and timid and frightened. What do you do to help them with that, to get over that?
The best advice I can give is just make sure to go slowly. That whole 3-day, 3-week, 3-month, you know, assimilation into a home is very, very accurate. Sometimes it might be more like 6 months to a year. So having owners be patient, but also not rushing people greeting or getting frustrated with their lack of initiative, wanting to see people, objects, you know, just anything that's new to them. So we just find an activity that they enjoy. If it's me sitting in the grass and having them come over to me for stepping on grass for the first time, and just slowly petting and talking to them and praising them for stepping on a piece of grass, or throwing a treat and having them stand next to a table or a trash can for the first time, and then just, yay, way to go, good job. But kind of just, rather than having somebody take a treat or have a dog take a treat from your hand, have people throw treats. I find that to be so much more effective. Like when they come over, when they see the dog, don't look at them, don't talk to them, don't touch them, but just toss treats and then have them ignore the dogs. And then over time, the dog is going to start to get more comfortable. Like there's no pressure, I can take food, I'm not nervous or scared. And then they're going to kind of get closer and closer to eventually they might take treats out of your hand without you looking, but eventually you'll get to pet a little bit and touch, and the stinkier the treats, the better. And, you know, that's the old adage for any trainer. But that will, you know, that assimilation process will go better if you use stinky treats and then just reward the baby steps. I can't stress that enough. Just praise your puppy for the small little steps they make every day.
So no one should get concerned if their puppy is not progressing the same as, say, the puppy next to them. Everybody has their own timeline.
Oh, totally,
right?
For sure, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll find too that your puppy is gonna do excellent in week 1 doing this activity. And then in week 2, they're gonna really struggle with whatever activity we're working on. In week 3, your puppy's a rock star doing this. So yeah, you're gonna find the areas where your puppy will excel, and yeah, that you're gonna find, just like kids learning in school. You love math and English, and your friend loves science. So you find the areas where your puppies excel, and that's what you really emphasize.
And you've seen this over and over, correct?
Oh yeah,
You've seen puppies just blossom in the middle of, by the end of their training.
Yeah, the first week they're always shy and nervous, and then by the end they're going to greet other puppies, or they're coming in excited to come. The first week the owners are pulling them in the door, and then the last week they're kind of pulling their owners in the door, which is nice to see.
I love that. I love that. Well, we're so grateful because a lot of your students in this therapy training have been to Grateful Rescue and been adopted out. So it's thrilling for me because I get to see them again. So
wonderful.
Perfect. Appreciate you more than words can tell. And we're going to be partners for a long time.
Yes, we will.
Thank you, Bonnie.
You're welcome.